Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my review of the Thrunite thrower headlamp. It has a top switch. You can see the emitter and the reflector there. It can stand like so. It's got some texture there for grip. It comes with a head strap and mounting bracket, a recharging cable, spare O-rings and charging port cover. It also comes with a battery. Let's take a look at the battery right now. It is an 18650 lithium-ion battery. In order to recharge that battery in the light, just hook up the light using the recharging cable. It is Type-C rapid recharging. That is a power bank, right? So hook it up to any USB power source. When it is recharging, there's a red indicator light. When it is fully charged, that will be blue. Here are the stats on the light. So the maximum lumens, 1755. It has 5 brightness levels and 1 special mode, which is SOS. And you can see the run times for all of those as well. Now the maximum beam distance, 323 meters. To turn the light on, press the top switch. To turn it off, press again. You can cycle through the middle brightness levels if you press and hold. Alright, so here is that. Now to get to turbo, double tap. There is turbo. This also has an SOS mode with a triple tap. Warning, it's going to flash. Alright, so that's flashing SOS. Now if you long press from off, you will get to an ultra low mode. And there is the ultra low mode. At this time I am going to roll in the outside testing and demo footage, and then we'll come back for final thoughts on this light. Here is the Thrunite light on the old testing board. Check out the lit top switch. Alright, let's cycle through the brightness levels. Alright, let's go turbo. Wow. Okay, warning, we're going to do the SOS mode, which is a flashing mode. Alright, that's SOS. Alright, here's the ultra low mode. There is ultra low. Now let's go back to turbo. Wow. I mean, that's crazy bright. Alright, we're out on the road with this Thrunite light. Let's crank it up. You might hear some frogs in the background. Now let's go turbo. See what we could see. Wow, I mean this thing. Now this can be used as a headlamp, but you can also just hold it like this. Now the turbo mode does get hot, right? And I know you want to see how bright this can be, so that's why we're in turbo. So obviously I wouldn't recommend wearing it on your head in the turbo mode. But for demonstration purposes, here's turbo. And look, it just light up. There's no houses, and there's no streetlights on this road. Yeah, it's doing an excellent job. Wow, look at that spotlight. Here is a top view beam shot of the Thrunite light. Wow, I mean that is epic. Look at that. Going all the way down the road. Yeah, this thing, it's bright, has long range, cool white. Alright, let's go check out Frog Creek. And doing an excellent job of lighting up the creek. The opposite bank. Easily up to the treetops. Yeah, I mean, it's a thrower. Look at the focused beam. All the way down the creek. You can see every bubble. This thing is bright. Definitely. I can even hear a few frogs in the distance. Alright, well this is an excellent light. I mean, this is a headlamp and way more as well. I am standing on the field with this Thrunite thrower. Time for it to live up to its name, definitely. So I'm standing in one goal. We're going to try to cross the field, go goal to goal. All right, let's kick this up. Wow. Okay. Where is that other goal? Wow. Got it. Hold on, focus. There we go. Oh yeah. So this easily crosses the field. All right, there's a little goal behind there, but yeah, the big one is the official one. Wow. So all the way across with a headlamp. That's crazy. It's crazy that a headlamp can do this. And we are back. All right, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed that. So what are my final thoughts on this Thrunite thrower? Wow, it definitely lives up to its name. I mean, if you had told me 5 years ago that we would have right angle type lights or headlamp type lights that can easily cross hundreds of meters, you know, I might not have believed you, but here we are. I don't want to overstate things, but I mean, this is almost a new category of light because, well, take bugging out, for example. To me, it's mandatory to have a headlamp in your bug out bag or your bug out kit. A headlamp, you have to have a way to do hands-free work at night or to light a trail if you have to do night hiking. So I always have a headlamp in my bug out kit. However, up to this point, I would also carry another light because most headlamps, they don't have the brightness or the throw that this one has. So I would carry a headlamp, and I would also have usually a powerful thrower in my kit. With this, I can basically carry one light that does both functions. So yeah, it is kind of a new consolidation of those capabilities. If all you need is a headlamp for close range work, then, you know, this could be overkill, right? If you don't need that throwing ability, but I like it because, you know, throwers are my favorite type of light, definitely. All right, YouTube, I will include a link to this and Thrunite's official website and official store. This has been We All Juggle Knives and Flashlights. I'm out.